Grizzly Squad, it's your boy Grizzly Marty. I'm back with another daggone video. Man, it sound like a daggone echo out this joint, bro. I'm telling you. Hey, man, but as you see, I got my farmer jacket on. You know, it's one of them cold days. It's freezing outside. But I got some things I gotta go do. So, you know, the cold weather ain't gonna stop me. it ain't gonna stop me. Ain't nothing really gonna stop me. So, today, I'm gonna be getting my front window tinted. Alright? So, as you see, you can see right through my 300. I just want a little bit more privacy, man. That's it for me and my family. That's all I want. So I'm about to go get it tinted, and then it's gonna actually look more aggressive too when you got the front window tinted. It looks just more sleek, more stagger, more everything. It's just gonna look real nice, man. But like y'all know, man, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel. And majority of the time, this is what I do on my channel when I started it up. You know, you're gonna hear Black Beauty go ahead and start. It's cold. See that smoke coming out? Cause it's freezing. I just get hot. Yes, sir. It is a cold day. Let me show you how cold it is, man. Let me show you how cold it is. It's 34 degrees. It's cold, and it says it's supposed to snow. Hold on. I ain't know it's supposed to snow today. Hey, but hey, I can't slow down for nobody. Rain, sleet, or snow. I'm just like the postal service, man. Go ahead and start that thing up. So I got my GoPro. Got this stupid plastic dip that I need to throw away. I need to throw away a lot of stuff. I'm about to walk to the trash right now because I can't have that in my car. So Grizzly Gang, I'm headed to the tent shop, man. So this is actually the same place where I get my car washed. So what they do tinting, they do HID lights, and they do car wash stuff. So they're like a multi like purpose business, man. So headed to them again, man. Dude was giving me a good price on my front windshield. So that's what I'm about to get done, my front windshield, bro. So yeah, and I see what they did last time. I saw somebody else Mopar look good. I don't know who it was. Was just chopping up with the dude, and his car was looking cool. I was like, I think I might have to get this front window tinted, man. And plus, it's content for you guys, so y'all get to see how it looked with the front windshield not tinted and with it tinted. So I think, I don't know what percentage I'm gonna go with. Y'all comment down below. Am I gonna go with 50 or I'm gonna go with 35? Right now, comment down right now before you even find out what's later. What I'm gonna go with. If y'all think y'all know Grizzly Marty, man, what I'm gonna go with. Oh, my tire's spinning. 50 or 35? Which one I'm going with? Just accelerated to catch up with the traffic. So yeah, I'm about to head over there and get my front window tinted, man. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, y'all need to wear your mask everywhere y'all go. I'm gonna have my mask on when I'm out here. And I got my gloves, bro. I rarely wear gloves unless I know I'm gonna be outside for a long time and I feel like I'm gonna be outside for a minute. So I got my gloves. I'm prepared. That big old dumpster truck, man. So yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Everybody be safe out there. You see everything that's happening in DC and stuff like that. Y'all be safe out there. It's a messed up system. That's all I can say. I'm not gonna say any more to it. It's a messed up system, man. Dang. Right, let's go. Leave out in the dust. Leave it in the dust. I'm away, and I gotta stop. Oh, it's shaking. I think I need my brakes. I need those people flying. And that lady got a handicap sticker. She gonna honk at me. Girl, you was driving slow and then you try to speed up. Don't play with me. Play with your mammy. What my boy Curran say, don't play with me, play with your mammy. Shout out to him. That dude is funny. If y'all need a laugh or y'all just need to just get some stress off your brain or whatever, bro, go follow the dude Curran. I think it's Curran Claiborne or something like that. dude is hilarious. His voiceovers is on point, super funny, and he got a bunch of them. So yeah, go check him out, bro. I'm looking at that from there. Oh yeah, I got an Amazon. Order everything off Amazon almost. Oh yeah, I'm in here. Oh, they got the heat for me too? Okay. All right, cool. So about to go ahead and get it tinted. What is that? I think the bird's been doing something. So if y'all know, now I'm gonna just let y'all figure it out at the end of the video. I ain't gonna give y'all no type of cookies right now. I'm just letting y'all know it's 50 or 35. All right, Grizzly Gang, so they didn't have the percentage that I wanted. So I'll be back tomorrow. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. It's gonna be a few seconds for y'all, but it's gonna be a whole day for me. All right, peace. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Yo, what's good, Grizzly Squad? All right, it is the next morning. So today, I finally got all the parts for my Mazda 3. So now I'm about to go drop it off at Charles' house. I'm gonna try to get some footage of me and Charles working too. So hopefully it don't finish all today, cause I'm busy today. But so I got the rack of pinion right there, and I got the exhaust manifold right there. So those are the two things that I need. So I done started her up since the last video actually. So let's see if she even started up. Really different. Dang, I've been looking for one myself. Yeah, it's hard. They hard to find. Like every time they're available, they all sold out. So it's hard. Man, he's beautiful, man. He's shaped out real good.
Yeah, and I love him.
Wow.
Like I was worried about him and my daughter.
Okay.
But like that's her best friend.
Yeah. Oh. What good, bro? I'm sorry. Uh-oh. Got you hesitant. Why do that?
Alright, so we're gonna just put it in the garage, man.
Okay.
So you thought I was doing it today?
No, I know you're not doing it today.
All right.
I know you're not doing it today.
So you got your camera?
Yeah. No, I'm just vlogging everything.
Okay.
Yeah, cause I'm gonna be off, so whenever you go to it. Okay.
Hopefully I have it done by tomorrow.
Oh, you trying to do it like that? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Yeah.
Oh man,
you. My car outside.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna put your car in the garage.
Okay.
Right here, but I don't want to leave my shit out here.
I feel you.
So
Yeah, before it starts raining.
I'm gonna back this up and you just pull in.
Okay.
And I'll pull right behind you.
All right, no problem. Oh yeah, I think I gotta get the power steering. Why gotta be another windy day? It's windy as a mug, y'all. I hope y'all don't get too much of the wind noise. I'm trying to stand like at a point where it's not windy. But all right, so now Charles got my car. I thought I was gonna be able to help out, but seems like he's gonna get this done tonight. That's the man right there. So what I gotta get, I have to get not brake fluid, the rack of pinion, which is the power steering fluid, and that's about it. And he gonna hook me up, man. And then I'm about to go get my front window tinted right now. All right, so I put out a pool yesterday. I said, well, what you think I'm gonna get, 50 or 35? So y'all about to find out. All right, so Charles dropped me off. Oh, y'all about to get 2 cold starts and 1 video. Not special, man. That joint sound me. Yes, sir. She dusty today. So that means I gotta get my window tinted and I have to get my car cleaned. So yeah, I'll see y'all there.
Check out my swag, I'm shining. Cleaner than a
She is getting done, y'all. So she about to have the tent on it. I'm gonna show y'all in a few, you know, what the tent is. I'm gonna just chill right here. I'm gonna post a few videos. Y'all gonna see this video, man. I'm gonna post some videos on IG, show y'all, and then yeah, we gotta get this video started. That's it, you know. So finally done with everything. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna get a better view in the light too, but it looks stellar right here because I got the with the HID lights and stuff like that. But yeah, here's the finishing touch to everything. Woo. So I don't know. Let's see if I close. When I close the door, will it be darker? So I don't know. I'm about to stay away from the cops now. I don't know. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. A lot more privacy, man. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I appreciate it, y'all. Thank y'all. All right. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what I got done, man. Black Beauty is blacker and better than ever. Gotta say it like that. Oh, man, I love it, man. Come on, man. You can't tell me nothing now, man. Black Beauty is really Black Beauty now. She just gonna get even better. I got another thing coming for you guys. I'm telling you, dude, this day is so lit. Look at her. Ooh, ooh. So you know, I'm gonna take this off. You know, I've been talking about it. So I'm gonna take this off, get it hydro dip with the carbon fiber. And of course, it's gonna get hydro dip orange. It might be like an orange like carbon fiber. I think that would be lit if I could do that. I'm gonna hit up my guy, and first of all, I gotta get that taken off and then do it like that. So that's gonna be another lit mod, man. I'll tell you, everything is gonna be really detailed in this thing. I'm not playing around. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful, boy. So I got, oh, so for everybody that commented, everybody that went to my IG and did the pool, yes, I got 20% all around. And of course, you already know this is 35%, man. So yeah. Gotta catch me riding dirty. Gotta catch me riding dirty. Hey, hey. Not really though, it's just that it's a legal tent, yeah. You know. So gotta catch me. Woo, I'm so psyched, man. Okay, I never had my car the front windshield tinted. It didn't look good. I don't think I'll ever get a car without the front tint. So I might have to get my Mazda window front tinted now too. I like this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get her waxed on Saturday because she needed waxing. And then, yeah, that's it. I ain't gonna tell y'all too much more. But you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for you guys, man. Had to get that all out in one breath. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, man, do me the honors, man, and subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro. You know, you see that. She gotta get lowered. Ooh, and she need bigger tires. So y'all be playing with me. And you know the Pro Charger is coming. I don't know when, but it's coming. That's like the grand pop-up finale right there, man. But that's what I'm gonna get done to her. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm doing all type of stuff to the 300 gang all day, man. If you love 300, Mopar gang if you're a Mopar lover. If you're a Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Challenger, what are some other cars? Any Mopar car, man. Y'all know the Mopar gang, you know. So it's Dodge, Ram, Jeep, Chrysler. Chrysler, I gotta do 4. Chrysler, so y'all already know, man. So if you part of the Mopar gang, what's good? But any car is welcome because I'm a fan of all cars. I love cars, bro. That's just my passion. So y'all see it right now, boy. I'm about to peel off. About to peel off on the purpose. About to peel off. Ooh, look how she look inside though. It's dark in here. I like that though. I like it. Yes, sir. Looking definite. Okay. All right. All right, Grizzly gang. See you later. That was for y'all. A little smokage. Peace.